ani. So guys, we just finished check out the hotel. When ako ka-vlog. Guys, ako na. Today's the last day. Last day.
Last day naman ni siya. Oh my God, very...
Hi, Bon!
Ang tawag natin sa kanya is bahay na to. So, I'm Ate Luz. I'm gonna be your local tour guide and kasama ko kayo explore yung bahay na to. But before we head inside, meet ka muna si Apple.
Ikaw na rin.
Bukas na dyan. So, si Apple, short for Apollinario. Okay? So, si Apple, pinapower ang tinatawag natin na dadapilan. So, ang dadapilan is an ancient shear cave crusher. So, si Apple, gaya ng nakita sa video kanina, umiipon.
Nakita ko na sa TV.
Ito sir yung ginagamit ni Apple?
Ito yan, silky smart.
The one and only. Hi, Apple. Appear. Appear.
Pag mag-reply na karong hello. Darling.
Apple is already tired.
6 feet under.
Yes.
Pinamay.
The
pila. 1850.
Ang pangalan niya originally is Delphacula. Tapos, since ito yung traditional modern bag.
Vegan sila.
Ako uminom ko gabi.
Pwedeng ma-expose sa direct sunlight kasi mag-oxidize sila. So, maapektuhan yung effectivity nila. And then, white ones are for manual siya. Ito naman is automatic. Okay? So, over here, may in-establish niya ang unang distillery sa Binondo. Pero unfortunately, nasira to ng World War II. Tapos nag-transfer kami sa Caloocan. Pero unfortunately, ang Calendar Girls na tradisyon, galing yun sa Distilleria Lentuaco. So, Distilleria Lentuaco ang unang nag-pioneer o nagsimula ng tradisyon ng Calendar Girls. And, ang interesting about dito is kung saan galing yung concept niya. Bigla na lang nag-pop up? No. Galing siya sa panaginip. So, si fourth president na naginip ng girl in a red bikini riding a white horse with a white castle and the background. So, doon pinanganak ang aming famous 5-year-old whiskey, si White Castle. Okay. So, ang instruction ng family. Magkikigabi lang. Oo, may CCTV dito na kita naman yung nag-rock.
Hello, Garok. On itself. Arlene!
Si James Limpe yung White Castle sa drawing na yan pag naubos mo yung isang bote. Kailangan mo muna ubusin yung isang bote. Isang bote. So, dalawa lang yan. Nakikita mo yung White Castle or papapaniginipan mo yung girl in the red bikini. Okay? Okay, so, I'm just gonna leave you.
Dapat tanungin natin yung ka-age natin. Ano? Wala bang 2,000?
Dito, picture kita. Yeah, so, ba't hindi pa ate? Bro, what the frick is that? The chair that automatically rocks. Ay, wow, nag-high na siya. Vlog ko. Intramuros, bus.
Napamura si Arma.
Wait lang, video ko lang yung palibot. Gershman.
Nag-guard dito, wala nito. Naka-old style.
Ano, pwede mag-selfie sila, girl. Sure.
Let us pray to the Lord.
Lord, hear our prayer.
We are
Pero do healthy man siya, te?
Yung ating CCTV or the Cultural Center of the Philippines. So, yung turn lang tayo kasi nasa kabilang pa po yung traffic.
Okay pa.
Ay, hindi na ito kailangan
Maraming salamat! Kita mo wala kasi yung ako kasi.
Tuwa lang. Lagyan mo ng bus? Ay, joke. Hindi ko makita ang bus. Ito, ito. Hindi ko makita.
Airport na. Bye, Manila! Goodbye, Manila and Baguio. Goodbye, bus.
Yes, thank you.
Goodbye, bus.
Pinapanaginip to.
Ay, sorry.
Yes lang! Binawasan.
Hi guys, early amon boarding. See you Iloilo.
flight.
Aray ko.
Notify your captain.
Hi. Kami yung nasa pinakalikod.
Malapit sa CR.
CR. Yes. Tsaka, window.
To our cruising altitude of 29,000 feet. We're expecting fair weather.
Iloilo, mabuhay. Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino.
To tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift top of buckle. Pull free end to release.
Okay, tablet ni mabili ko ako. Multi-purpose Android.
Power banks and spare batteries are not prohibited. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. Mabuhay. Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Iloilo. The time for your convenience is 28 minutes past the hour of 9 in the evening. And the date today is May 10 on a Sunday. Ladies and gentlemen, we request
Tupalya ka na.
Hindi ko sang kano ka na kung gusto.
Gato yan. All set.
Touchdown Iloilo. Maraming salamat po. Woo! Salamat po. So guys, this is the end of everything. Of everything! Touchdown, Iloilo! Maraming salamat everyone! At sa muli, goodbye and good night.